The Labour Ministry warns against overseas employment scams. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. In a stance against fraudulent overseas employment schemes on social media, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security has issued a stern warning to members of the public. In a statement on Friday, the ministry said it disassociates itself from such deceptive advertisement. One such offer is noted to invite unsuspected applicants to send their information to an email address jpwinstonmasters.h2b@gmail.com. The ministry wants to make it abundantly clear that this entity is operating illegally, preying on the hopes and aspirations of legitimate job seekers. Additionally, the unauthorized use of the ministry's logo in the use of advertisement is an act of fraud. The ministry categorically states that it is not engaged in any recruitment for the Overseas Employment Program at this time. The ministry urged the public to visit its official website for a list of licensed employment agencies that are authorized to facilitate overseas job placements. For further information or to report suspicious advertisements, the ministry's employment agencies unit can be reached at 876-922-9500. The ministry is also advising individuals who suspect that they have fallen victim to the scam to promptly contact the unit or report the matter to the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF Fraud Squad. The Labour Ministry underscores that any entity intended to engage in the recruitment of workers in Jamaica, whether for local or overseas placements, must be licensed in compliance with the Employment Agencies Act. The ministry further stated that it's imperative for anyone operating without a valid license to immediately cease their operation and take the necessary steps to regularize their activities. The ministry further added that it's taking a zero-tolerance approach to employment scamming and will take decisive action against violators. Anyone found operating in breach of this regulation may be subjected to a fine of up to $1 million with alternative of up to 12 months imprisonment upon conviction. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.